Welcome back to Techi, your source for all things tech. In today's video, we're diving into an incredible interactive tool that's changing the way we engage with our audience. Imagine being able to turn your presentations into interactive experiences, making your content truly dynamic and memorable. With this tool, you can transform passive viewers into active participants. Imagine asking your audience a question and instantly visualizing their responses as vibrant word clouds and dynamic graphs. Whether it's live polls, quizzes, open-ended questions, or brainstorming sessions, this tool empowers you to captivate your audience like never before. Who stands to benefit from this tool? Teachers can bring their classrooms to life, presenters can engage their audiences in new ways, and workshop hosts can make sessions truly interactive. No matter the setting, this tool brings value to educators, businesses, and presenters alike. So, how can you get started? It's simple. Just head to the platform's website and create an account. Once you're in, you'll have access to a variety of templates and interactive options. It's user-friendly and doesn't require any technical expertise. Now, let's dive into the exciting possibilities that this tool brings to the table. With this platform, you can create a variety of interactive experiences that will keep your audience engaged from start to finish. Picture this. You're in the midst of a presentation, and you want to gather opinions from your audience. Maybe you're curious about their preferences or thoughts on a particular topic. This tool lets you create multiple choice questions that instantly transform into dynamic graphs, showing the distribution of responses. It's a fantastic way to visualize opinions and spark discussions. Imagine you're conducting a workshop and you want your participants to rank different options. This tool allows you to design ranking exercises where participants can drag and drop items in order of preference. It's interactive, hands-on, and adds a whole new level of engagement to your sessions. And that's not all. You can also use this tool to set up open-ended questions. Encourage your audience to share their thoughts, ideas, or even ask questions directly. Their responses can be displayed as live word clouds, creating a visually striking representation of the collective input. Whether you're hosting a meeting, teaching a class, or giving a presentation, these possibilities enable you to create memorable and interactive experiences that resonate with your audience. In conclusion, the possibilities with this interactive tool are truly limitless. From multiple choice questions that visualize opinions to ranking exercises that foster engagement and open-ended prompts that spark creativity. This tool empowers you to connect with your audience in ways you've never imagined before. Thanks for tuning in to Techi. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech and keep innovating. Disclaimer: this video is not sponsored by Mentimeter and is purely for educational purposes.